Hey everybody, my name is Brian Buchkovsky and I'm our Director of Client Experience here at MentorMate. Because outside is currently a little scary, I'm here today in front of our home bar to talk about features versus stories. What's the difference? How do they relate to each other? Well, stories are essentially a way to break down features into smaller deliverable chunks. They are written from the user's perspective and ideally deliver value to the software when they are complete. They're actually pretty easy to understand, so let's go through a simple example. Let's say you're building an app to see what cocktail recipes you can make with the ingredients you have on hand. Fun, huh? A feature of this super awesome app might be to populate your bar inventory. How might we break that feature down into stories? Stories are generally written as a user, I will do something for some sort of benefit. So going back to our example, a story might be, as a home bartender, I will search by product name so I can locate items to add to my inventory. Or, as a home bartender, I will browse all spirits so I can locate items to add to my inventory. Once you populate those stories in your backlog, you move on to other features, maybe things like viewing recipes, or searching recipes, saving recipes, etc. And then work to break those down into stories as well. So to recap, think of a feature as a larger objective or scope items, and stories are how those are broken down and tasked out to your team to build. I hope this was helpful. Thanks all. Na zdrowie.